Hello friends, this is Mrs. Sheetal Deshpande from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I welcome you in today's session. Today we will continue with lesson 4, the First War of Independence, the Revolt of 1857. In today's session, we will see the causes of the failure. What were the different causes? Lack of leadership, poor organization, outdated weapons, no support from other parts, limited scope of the uprising, lack of planning, lack of interest by middle class people and intellectuals. Let's understand more about each cause. First, we have here the lack of leadership. One of the important reasons of the failure was the revolt lacked any central leadership. Bahadur Shah was too weak, an old person to lead the revolt. The leaders of the revolt fought only for their territories. There was no any national leader who could give it a larger purpose. It hence became easy for the company to defeat the different groups fighting. Now let's one look on the Bahadur Shah Zafar. Next we will see about poor organization. The 1857 revolt was failed due to poor organization. Indian kings and queens were very brave, but they lacked in proper discipline. Different groups fought their small battles against local British authorities at different times and from different places. Their efforts were not organized. The British, on the other hand, were organized. Therefore, they could defeat the rebels. Let's put one glance on the some images which symbolize the revolt of 1857. Next, we have here outdated weapons. The British were better equipped and had a superior resources to fight with Indians. On the other hand, the Indian people used very old weapons. They also did not have enough weapons. They were using only pikes, swords, arrows, etc., which were outdated weapons. The British used the modern weapons and also had a lot of money to buy the ammunition. Here we have the image which symbolizes the weapons used by Indians in 1857 revolt, and another image we have which symbolize the weapons used by Britishers in 1857. No support from other parts. The revolt did not spread to all parts of the country. Example, a large part of the South and West India did not take the part in the revolt, especially a large princely states like Hyderabad, Mysore, Kashmir did not join the revolt of 1857. This enabled the British to crush the revolt easily. Here we have some images. The first image which shows the exact location of Hyderabad territory. The second image, orange color, which shows the Mysore territory. And the last image, red color, what it shows, the area of Jammu and Kashmir. Next, we will move for limited scope of the revolt. The revolt was localized. There were many parts of India which were not affected by the revolt at all. It was confined to areas such as Bihar, modern Uttar Pradesh, and the part of modern Madhya Pradesh. On the other hand, the British Indian territories such as Bombay, Madras, and the western Punjab were not at all affected by it. Many Indian rulers from Gwalior, Indore, and Nizam refused to take the part or to help in the revolt of 1857. Lack of planning. One more important reason for failure of the revolt 1857 was that the rebels worked without any proper planning. They did not have the definite aim which would be accepted by all. They were lacking in ideology and programming. On the other hand, British, they were having a perfect planning, whichever part they were capturing or they had captured, they had a proper planning to control on it. Next, we will see about the lack of interest by middle class people, upper class people and intellectuals. The educated Indians did not support the revolt. The lack of interest was a serious drawback. Finally, it caused the failure of revolt. They believed that this revolt stands on superstitious feelings which were harmful for social progress of the country. Besides that, zamindars, middle class and the upper class people did not give the support to that revolt as they were getting more benefit by the British policies. In this way, today we have covered about the different causes of the failures or different reasons of the failures. Now, next part of it we will continue in next session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.